Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Cozy English Podcast, where learning English feels calm and easy. I'm Sophie.
Hi, Sophie. Hello, everyone.
Mike, you sound exhausted. Long day?
Yes, I spent 3 hours shopping for a new winter coat.
3 hours for one coat?
I know. I went to 5 different stores. Nothing fit right, or the price was too high, or I didn't like the color.
Oh no, shopping can be so tiring.
It really can. And talking to salespeople in English still makes me a little nervous.
What makes you nervous?
Asking about sizes, trying to negotiate prices, asking if they have other colors. I never know the right words.
Well, this is absolutely perfect timing.
Why?
Because today we're talking about shopping, how to ask for what you need, talk about prices, sizes, colors, everything.
Oh, this is exactly what I need. I'm going back to the store tomorrow.
Perfect. By the end of today, you'll feel so much more confident.
I hope so.
Let's learn how to shop like a pro in English. First, let's talk about different types of stores. Where do you usually shop, Mike?
Well, for clothes, I go to clothing stores or department stores.
Exactly. A clothing store sells clothes, shirts, pants, dresses. A department store has many departments: clothes, shoes, cosmetics, home goods.
Like a big store with everything.
Right. Then there's a grocery store or supermarket for food.
A bookstore for books.
Yes. A shoe store for shoes, a jewelry store for jewelry, an electronics store for phones and computers.
A furniture store for furniture.
Exactly. And now we also have online stores, shopping from home.
That's so convenient, but sometimes you need to see things in person.
Especially clothes. You need to try them on. Okay, Mike, you walk into a store. What happens?
Usually someone greets me, right?
Yes, a salesperson or shop assistant might say, "Hello, can I help you?" Or, "Are you looking for anything specific?"
What do I say?
If you're just looking, you say, "I'm just browsing, thank you," or "Just looking, thanks."
I'm just browsing.
Perfect. Browsing means looking around without buying yet.
And if I need help?
Then you say, "Yes, I'm looking for," and what you need. "I'm looking for a winter coat. I'm looking for running shoes."
I'm looking for a blue sweater.
Great. The salesperson will help you find it.
Sophie, this is what confuses me. How do I ask about sizes?
It's simple. You ask, "Do you have this in a size?" For example, "Do you have this in a size medium?"
Do you have this in a size large?
Perfect. For clothes, we use small, medium, large, extra large.
What about numbers?
For pants and jeans, yes. "Do you have this in a size 32?" For shoes, too. "Do you have these in a size 9?"
Shoe sizes are different in every country.
I know, it's confusing. You can say, "I'm a size 42 in European sizes. What's that in US sizes?"
Oh, that's helpful. So I can ask them to convert.
Exactly. They're used to helping with this.
What if the size is wrong? Too big or too small?
You say, "This is too big," or "This is too small." You can also say, "Do you have this in a smaller size?" or "Do you have this in a larger size?"
This is too tight. Do you have a larger size?
Perfect. Tight means it doesn't fit comfortably.
This is too loose. Do you have a smaller size?
Excellent. Loose is the opposite of tight. Now, colors. How do you ask if something comes in a different color?
Do you have this in blue?
Perfect. Do you have this in, and then the color?
Do you have this in black?
You can also ask, "What colors does this come in?" Or, "Do you have other colors?"
What colors do you have?
Great. Very simple and natural.
What are the most common colors for shopping?
Black, white, gray, brown, blue, red, green, yellow, pink, purple, orange.
Navy blue, light blue, dark blue.
Yes, you can say light or dark to be specific. Do you have this in light gray?
That's really useful. Okay, this is crucial. How do I ask about prices?
The most common way is, how much is this? Or how much does this cost?
How much is this shirt?
Perfect. You can also just ask, what's the price? Or simply point and say, how much?
Excuse me, how much are these shoes?
Great. Notice you said are because shoes are plural.
Right. How much is this for singular? How much are these for plural?
Exactly. And when they tell you the price, they'll say, it's $45 or they're $80.
And if it's too expensive?
You can say, that's a bit expensive. Do you have anything cheaper? Or do you have a sale?
A sale?
Yes, a sale means lower prices. Items are on sale or discounted.
Oh, like 50% off?
Exactly. You can ask, is this on sale? Or do you have any discounts?
Do you have any sales right now?
Perfect. Mike, when you buy clothes, you need to try them on. Let's learn how to.
What do I say?
You ask, can I try this on? Or where are the fitting rooms?
Can I try these pants on?
Perfect. The salesperson will show you to the fitting room.
What if I need a different size while I'm in there?
You come out and say, this doesn't fit. Can I try a size larger? Or do you have this in a medium?
So I just ask for what I need.
Exactly. They want to help you find the right fit.
And after trying it on, what do I say?
If you like it, you say, I'll take it, or I'll buy this.
This fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Great. And if you don't like it, just say, thank you, but it's not quite what I'm looking for, or I'll think about it.
So I can say no politely.
Of course, no pressure. Okay, you decided to buy something. Now you need to pay.
What happens at the checkout?
The cashier will say, did you find everything okay? Or will this be all today?
And I say, yes, just this, please.
Perfect. Then they scan the items and tell you the total. That's $67.50, please.
How do I pay?
They ask, how would you like to pay? Or cash or card?
Card, please, or I'll pay by credit card.
Exactly. Then you insert your card or tap it.
And they give me a receipt.
Yes. They'll ask, would you like a receipt? You can say, yes, please, or no, thank you.
What about bags?
Good question. They might ask, do you need a bag? In some places, bags cost extra.
Yes, please, or no, I have my own bag.
Perfect. Bringing your own bag is good for the environment.
And saves money.
Mike, sometimes you buy something and later realize it's wrong. You need to return it or exchange it.
That sounds difficult.
It's not. You just need the receipt. You say, I'd like to return this, please, or I'd like to exchange this.
I'd like to return this shirt. It doesn't fit.
Perfect. They'll ask, what's the reason? You can say, it doesn't fit, I changed my mind, or I found a better price.
And they give me a refund?
Usually, yes. A refund means you get your money back, or you can exchange it for something else.
Can I exchange this for a different size?
Excellent. Just remember to keep your receipt and bring it within the return period.
Return period?
Usually 30 days or so, the time you have to return items. Always ask about the return policy when you buy.
That's smart. What if I can't find something? How do I ask for help?
You can say, excuse me, where can I find and what you need?
Excuse me, where can I find men's jeans?
Perfect. Or do you sell winter coats?
Excuse me, do you have umbrellas?
Great. You can also ask, can you help me find?
Can you help me find a black belt?
Excellent. And if something is out of stock, sold out, they'll say, sorry, we're out of that right now.
And I can ask, when will you get more?
Exactly. Or, can you check other locations? Sometimes you're deciding between two things. Let's learn how to compare.
Yes, this happens to me all the time.
You can ask, which one is better? Or, what's the difference between these two?
Which one is cheaper?
Good. You can also ask, which one do you recommend?
So I ask the salesperson's opinion.
Yes, they can give you advice. This one is better quality, or this one is more popular.
What if I want to see them together?
You say, can I see these side by side? Or can you show me both?
Can I compare these two?
Perfect. Mike, where do you like to shop?
I usually go to department stores. They have everything in one place.
Very efficient. What about online?
Sometimes, but I prefer seeing things in person, especially clothes.
Me too. I need to touch the fabric, see the real color.
What about you? Where do you shop?
I love small boutiques. They have unique items, but they're more expensive.
Quality over quantity.
Exactly. I'd rather buy one nice thing than 5 cheap things.
That's a good philosophy.
Do you enjoy shopping, Mike?
Honestly, sometimes. If I know what I need and find it quickly, yes. But wandering around for hours? No.
So today's 3-hour coat search was torture.
It was. I was so tired.
I understand. I'm the opposite. I love browsing, even when I don't need anything.
Really? Just for fun?
Yes, it's relaxing for me. Looking at colors, textures, new styles.
We're very different.
That's what makes us interesting. Let's practice a shopping conversation. I'll be the salesperson, you're the customer.
Okay.
Good afternoon. Can I help you find anything today?
Yes, I'm looking for a winter coat. Something warm but not too heavy.
What size are you?
I'm a large. Do you have anything in navy blue or black?
Let me see. Yes, here's a nice one in navy. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. How much is it?
This one is $120. It's on sale, originally $180.
Oh, that's a good deal. Where are the fitting rooms?
Right over there. Take your time.
Thank you.
See, everyone? Natural and easy.
That felt comfortable. I used all the phrases.
Exactly. You asked about size, color, price, and where to try it on. Let's review the most important phrases.
Yes.
Entering, I'm just browsing, or I'm looking for.
Sizes. Do you have this in a size large?
Colors. Do you have this in blue? Or what colors does this come in?
Prices. How much is this? Or is this on sale?
Trying on. Can I try this on? Where are the fitting rooms?
Buying. I'll take it. Payment. I'll pay by card.
Perfect. These cover most shopping situations. Everyone, we hope this episode helps you feel confident shopping in English.
Tell us, do you like shopping? What do you usually buy?
Write in the comments. Share your shopping experiences.
And use the phrases we learned.
Next time you're in a store, practice speaking English.
Even just asking, how much is this, is great practice.
Mike, speaking of shopping, I need to buy a birthday present for my sister. Want to come help me choose?
Right now?
Well, after we finish recording, there's a nice boutique nearby.
But I just said I don't like browsing for hours.
It won't be hours, just quick. I need a second opinion.
Okay, but just quick.
I promise. And you can practice your new shopping phrases.
True, at least I'll know what to say now.
See, we're going shopping together. We'll use everything we learned today. All right, everyone, we're off to shop.
Thanks for listening.
Have a wonderful week.
Goodbye, everyone.